Hey guys, so today I will share with you a quick tip how to set your clock on your early 2000s BMW. So even if that's BMW E46, E39, E53, 3 Series, 5 Series, X Series, it doesn't matter, even 7 Series, it's basically the same. So first thing you need to do, you need to put in the key and turn on the ignition. We don't need the AC right now. And as you can see, okay, there's the temperature. To change the information screen, you need to press on this button on the left handle. And as you can see, the information changes. Average speed, and here is our clock. And as you can see, it shows nothing. So what you need to do, you need to grab this right knob and just twist it to either direction. And turn it left to go back and turn it right to go forward. You don't need to press it, just turn it and hold it. And as you can see, it gets faster over the time. And we have 12:41. So let's go and set it up. Here we go, 12:41. And that is all set. You can turn it off, turn it on, and it will show you your time. That's it. And that is how you set your clock under 1 minute. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the like, and see you on the next one.